Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mayor Andrew LaBruno sending you a video message. I have some updated information, and with the governor's address earlier today, I wanted to clarify some things. Dumont has 6 presumptive positive cases confirmed by the Bergen County Department of Health. With testing becoming more readily available, this number will undoubtedly increase. As I stated before, as this progresses, these presumptive positive reports will become more generalized by region. I can tell you this. If we do not follow the regulations set by the governor, this will create a domino effect. The statement is not to cause panic, but to state the reality of the current situation during this public health crisis. I will now go over some items the governor addressed today. All non-essential businesses are to close at 9 p.m. this evening and move employees to a work-from-home platform where practicable. Here are the exceptions and types of businesses that are deemed essential. Grocery stores, farmers markets, and farms that sell directly to customers. Other food stores, including retailers that offer an assortment of foods comparable to what exists at a grocery store. Pharmacy and medical marijuana dispensaries. Medical supply stores. Gas stations. Convenience stores. Ancillary stores with healthcare facilities. Hardware and home improvement stores. Banks and financial institutions. Laundromat and dry cleaning services. Stores that principally sell supplies for children under 5 years old, pet stores, liquor stores, car dealerships, but only for auto maintenance repair and auto mechanics, printing and office supply shops, mail and delivery stores. Nothing in the governor's order shall limit the provision of healthcare or medical services, access to essential services for low-income residents, such as food banks, the operations of the media, law enforcement agencies, and the operations of the federal government. Please visit covid19.nj.gov for any frequently asked questions and for more information. Now, on the borough end, our borough buildings and parks will remain closed with very limited access to our police department. The state also set up a hotline number for COVID-19 info. You can dial 211 for updates and important information, or text NJ-COVID, that's COVID, to 898-211 to receive text information and stay informed, or text your zip code to 898-211 to receive live text assistance. I'd like to go over another item, the importance of the census. Many of you have received correspondence, so yes, it is real, and yes, it is crucial during times like these. The results of the 2020 census will help determine how hundreds of billions of dollars in federal funding flow into communities every year for the next decade. That funding shapes many different aspects of our community, no matter the size, no matter the location. The census data also helps communities respond to natural disasters and secure funding for hospitals and fire departments. During this public health crisis, I ask you to please complete these forms to ensure Dumont receives the assistance it needs in the future. As we've seen, the Bergen County testing site is up and running at Bergen County Community College. Please follow these instructions if you feel you need to be tested. Community-based testing sites are for individuals who are experiencing symptoms of respiratory illness. To be eligible for testing, individuals must be current New Jersey residents and experiencing symptoms of respiratory illness. Priority will be given to symptomatic individuals experiencing cough, fever, and shortness of breath. Testing is free and will be covered by the federal government or personal insurance company, so please bring your insurance card if you have one. The specimen collections will be transmitted to the contracted laboratory twice per day. Results will be reported within 2 to 5 business days. Please remember, you must have symptoms to be tested. Another issue I wanted to go over very briefly is the small business impact in our community. To our small businesses, please keep track of all measures that you've taken during this public health crisis, any losses, and document everything for any future federal assistance programs. For employees that may need assistance during this public health crisis, please visit nj.gov/labor. I will continue to provide these updates. Please note they will not be daily unless there is pertinent information that needs to be shared immediately. Tomorrow, our COVID-19 task force will be having a remote meeting via conference call to review the governor's orders. We will continue to work together with our council, administrators, and first responders to ensure we are doing everything we can to limit the possible transmission of COVID-19 in our community. Stay calm, stay positive, be healthy, and we will get through this together. Thank you. Have a good afternoon.